grammar of Betsu ni nani nani nai. The grammar of Betsu ni nani nani nai is mean not really or not particularly in something. So how to use? When you use the grammar of Betsu ni, you can use the grammar of Betsu ni with verb, but you should change the verb to be the negative form, such as nai form. And when you use the noun, you should change end the noun by de verb nai. And with na adjective, you should end by de verb nai. And for e adjective, you should end by kunai, and cut the e out of the sentence. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Betsu ni nani nani nai, next we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of Betsu ni nani nani nai. For example, それは別に悪いことでもない。それは別に悪いことでもない。Which means, that's not particularly a bad thing. That's not particularly a bad thing. 別に彼のために作ったわけではない。別に彼のために作ったわけではない。Which means, it's not like I make this for him. It's not like I make this for him. For the second sentence, you will see that 別に彼のために作ったわけではない。It means that, for example, if you cook some food, so you just put on the table, so everybody can eat. You really don't pay attention to that food, that this food I cook for Mr. A or Mr. B, something like this. So everyone can eat, so you can say 別に彼のために作ったわけではない。So this means it's not like I make this for him. So everybody can eat. The next example. この仕事には別に期限はない。この仕事には別に期限はない。Which means, there is no time limit in particular for completing this job. There is no time limit in particular for completing this job. 君は別に悪いことをしているわけではない。君は別に悪いことをしているわけではない。Which means, it's not like you are doing anything wrong. It's not like you are doing anything wrong. For the second sentence, this means if you do something, it's not correct. So that doesn't mean that you are bad. So you can say, 君は別に悪いことをしているわけではない。Right? You just don't understand something. So it's not that you are bad.